Hello, today I'm making my chicken sandwich. Welcome back to How to Cook It. 1 cup of cooked chicken. These 3 are 1 tablespoon each. Tomato, parmesan, and onion. These are 1 teaspoon each. Salt, pepper, oregano, and paprika. Now we're gonna mix all of this in a bowl. Chicken in, now we'll add the onion, the tomato, the parmesan cheese, and the spices. Now we mix. I use parmesan, but if you want, you can use cheddar. Now we have 4 slices of bread. I'm gonna put butter on one side. I've put butter on all 4 slices. The buttered side is the outside, so we will flip these 2. First, I will put sliced cheese. I am using Edam cheese. Now we're gonna put the chicken mixture on the cheese. Press it down with your hand. Now 1 slice of ham. And some more cheese. Now we'll put the bread, butter facing up. Our sandwich is ready for the grill. Let's go. Sandwich on the sandwich toaster. Now we'll push it down for 4 minutes. Wow! And there we have it, my lovely chicken sandwich. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.